Hi class, I'm here to explain your essay proposal assignment. This assignment will be due Saturday at 11 p.m. in Canvas. What I'm asking you to do for this assignment is to create the topic that you will be writing about for your final paper. I am handing you the reins for this one. When you select your topic, it is important to remember that it needs to be appropriate to the discipline of political science, specifically to the subdiscipline of international relations. It also needs to be a topic that you are interested in, and it needs to be something that is well thought out and creative as well. When you're more interested in your topic, you're more likely to enjoy writing your paper. So think about what topics interest you, what countries might be of interest to you. Maybe you want to look at education or women's rights, or you want to look at the military, or you want to look at economics in a country. Anything like that is a good place to start, but please make sure to make every effort to not write about the United States, because this is international relations and not American politics. As I explained to you in the instructions in Canvas for this assignment, I'm not asking you to simply pick a topic like globalization or long cycle theory or the divide between the North and the South and explain it to me. I want you to pick a concept like that, but then I want you to dissect it, and I want you to think critically about the topic. In the instructions, I use the example of globalization, and I say to ask yourself questions. Oftentimes when you create a question, that can be your topic, and the way that you answer that question is how you construct your paper. So your paper answers the question that you ask. When we're talking about globalization, for example, we could ask questions like, is globalization good or bad? What does the growing population mean for our globalizing world? What will our world look like in 10 years or 20 years? What about global migration trends? What should a global economy look like? Where is the military's place in a globalized world? I also provide you some research ideas. Please know that this list is not what you have to choose from. They're just ideas to get your brain thinking about some directions that you could go, and I'm allowing you to be very creative with this. Again, please pick something that you are interested in and that you want to learn more about. If you're excited about it, it will show in your paper, I promise you. Important to remember with this assignment, if you choose to submit a file, please make sure it is either in a document or a PDF format, because my computer cannot read anything in Pages, and I don't do well with Google Docs either. That should be written in size 11 or 12 Times New Roman font with 1-inch margins and double spaced. If you're looking for a length requirement, there isn't one. I would suggest about a paragraph or so. I want you to not only tell me what your topic is, but I want you to explain it to me. So simply saying, I want to write about globalization, it's not enough to earn you full credit. I want you to tell me why you're interested in it, what you're curious about, how it relates to our class and to the subdiscipline of international relations. And I want you to show me where you want to take this topic. The more specific you can be, the easier your research will be down the road. I promise you that. If you're too specific, it's going to be too difficult to find information. And if you're too broad, you will get overwhelmed very quickly. When these are submitted, I do go through each one and read them very carefully and provide you some helpful feedback. So once they are graded, please, 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 if I ask you to revise or update or ask you questions, please consider doing so. I'm trying to help you and to guide you whether your topic needs to be narrowed down, or to guide you a little bit broader if it's too narrow. And if I'm asking you questions, they're for clarification and to help you only. There is a rubric attached to the assignment in Canvas, so you'll know exactly what I will be looking for and how this assignment will be graded. Again, this is due Saturday at 11 p.m. in Canvas. If you have questions, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help. And I wish you the best of luck on this assignment, and I hope that you enjoy picking a topic for your final research paper. Thank you!